Ease lower back pain with Streeterville top-rated chiropractor services. Looking to get rid of back pain, sciatica, neck pain, or any other muscle-skeleton conditions? Contact this top Chicago chiropractor. Advanced Center for Chiropractic, Acupuncture, Nutrition, recently launched an update to its range of chiropractic care services. The Wellness Center explained that its treatment options are suitable for patients of all ages, including the elderly, young adults, teenagers and kids. You can now access quality drug-free treatments to ease acute and chronic pain, lower back and neck pain, or improve your mobility. Go to the link in the description to find more details.